What's up, my people? What's up, guys? Welcome back to Sandy and Bones TV. When I don't know, it's a girl Sandy. When I can't hear it in my voice, we catch a little cold. But I don't know none of that still, you know. I don't know none of that. It just catch a little cold while I was on vacation. So that little update here from Lyric. She basically break it down in a small sections of what went down. Apparently, Jermaine wasn't with Crystal only. He was messing around with other people. You would have to watch it and let us know what you think about the video in the comment section below. And guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And turn on the bell so you won't miss an upload from the SMB TV. Alright guys, so let's check out the video. And don't forget, give us a big thumbs up.
I've been a Christian for over 20 years now, and I was married for 7 years. I'm now separated, and my separation is extremely public because I am a public figure. I have no qualms sharing my life on social media. It's just how I am, and as YouTubers, I don't know if anybody's like this who's a YouTuber, but you tend to share your life. Was married for 7 years. He's the only man that I've ever been with. You know what I mean? Like intimate virginity. That's what I mean. Yeah. And yeah, we have 2 children. Both Jonathan and Jaleel are his. And for a 7-year relationship, he was in almost 7-year relationship with a friend of mine. She was at my bridal party. We were really good friends. I would call her my best friend. We went to camp together. We sleep in the same bunk bed together. Bed together. No homo. But bed together. You're like, no homo. No, but dead ass. No homo. But that is my best friend. And they've been together for several years. She is the pastor's daughter of the church I used to attend in Portmore. And since that whole thing happened, I have completely lost faith. Shit, I'm gonna cry. I hate this. I've completely lost faith in just how Christian people treat people in general, because we have this highfalutin thought that we're the only ones that have connection to Jesus, and we have this thought that once you look a certain way that you don't belong to him, once you dress a certain way you don't belong to him. And I've never been of that mindset. That has never been my conviction. No, when the Bible says that if something feels wrong to you, it's wrong for you, but to them it's not going to feel wrong. I've never been convicted of like tattoos, piercings, nothing. I've been singing for years. I've been singing since I was 3 years old. I've written songs, I've recorded, I've been in music videos. I've done makeup on sets. I'm a makeup artist, I'm a mother, I'm a musician, I'm a fitness freak, I'm a YouTuber. What happened last year has made me who I am for this year. During that 7-year marriage, or I don't call it a marriage, during that 7-year agreement or relationship, long-term relationship, I've been mentally manipulated. I've been told that it was always me that was the issue. Even with sex, I thought something was wrong with me. I was always told that I was just me, like I was the issue. When I would bring things up, because as you guys know, I talk, I express myself quite well. And I was always told I'm being extra, I'm a drama queen, it's not that serious. I've been told that my tears are manipulative. So at one point I did not want to cry, or when I would cry I'd go hide and cry, even though the Bible says that he bottles our tears, which means that if he's bottling something, it's something that he holds precious because he's keeping it, right? That's what the Bible says. But I was taught by my head that they were shameful. In the church that I went to taught me that the husband is right all the time because he's the head. When I used to make my money, I gave it to my husband at the time because that's what I was taught. I was taught I have to ask permission. If I want to do my hair, I have to ask permission. Hey, can I do my hair? I have to ask permission. I was unhappy for years. It has completely destroyed my self-esteem. It has completely destroyed just how I view God and the church. And when everything had came out, when I made that video on YouTube, and everything came out, I was being silenced by the church because it was a church issue, and because of my status, as in because I'm on social media, I'm very well known. It made the church look bad. So because it made the church look bad, I should take down the videos. Because it made the church look bad, I shouldn't make the videos. And I said church in general, because when that first video went up, I got a lot of calls and messages telling me to take me down from Christians, telling me that I'm the reason why some Christians are leaving church because of church hurt, and church hurt isn't real. by me being vulnerable and speaking about my story with what my ex-husband did, being with and it just wasn't Crystal. And a Crystal alone German did I have sex with. He was having sex with other women. He was never faithful to me. And that's coming from somebody who has never had a relationship where she was the one that he was faithful to. And again, I'm thinking it has to be me. That even in a high school, man just like give me a bunch, so like it just has to be me. It has to be. So because I've been told I'm too loud, I'm too strong, I don't listen, I'm stubborn. Everything that a woman of strength would harness, would have, is negative. I have no problem submitting. None. But when the person I'm being submitted to is a liar, a deceiver, and just a horrible person, it's difficult. And for years, I was talking about my issues and talking about my problems, and I was told to stay, pray about it. Satan trying to mash up your marriage, don't leave. Yes, so during that whole experience, so that happened. I've always loved piercings and tattoos, and I would ask my husband at the time, you like piercings and tattoos, because I want to get those out of the way. I say, yeah man, no problem, fine. Get married, of course I could get piercings, but not too much, and I couldn't get any tattoos, because he even told me at one point that tattoos are his thing because he has tattoos, and piercings are my thing. That's what he said. So I couldn't get tattoos, and he did not want me to cut my hair. As a matter of fact, he didn't want me to locks my hair, because Crystal, my mistress, his long-term relationship, so I call her my mistress, his mistress rather, she had locks, and I'm assuming he told her to get locks as well. That's a major ass assumption. I don't know, but yeah, he just didn't like it. So the minute that I left, I cut my hair, I got piercings, and I got tattoos, and even with how I dress as well, everything that I'm doing now is just in the name of liberty for me, and in the name of like celebrating me and being free. When people see me now, because even some of my family members aren't comfortable with my tattoos, because my family, my mom and my grandma, they're much older, they're more traditional Christians. You see me? Even like people, I say, boy, someone, when you go, so people that aren't Christians, when I go stop get tattoo, when I go stop get piercings, and I say, I'm never going to stop. I'm not going to stop. But when what going to happen, I'm going to die. I'm going to be dead. And they say, when I'm dead, say them not going to say upon eulogy, say, I did not like her tattoos or piercings. You know what I'm going to say? I wish she was here. That them going to say. I wish she was here. My tattoo is not going to matter. My hair not going to matter. My piercing is not going to matter. So why is it that when I'm here now with you guys, it's such a big deal? The only thing that you should be concerned about is yourself, not even my soul, because nobody knows where they're going to end up. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. You can't think someone but him and I got hell, but right before him got the thing, you say, Father God, and heaven. But the Christians who think they have their lives together and then offer ask for forgiveness, hell. Nobody knows the day nor the hour. Nobody knows. So the things that we deem important is just like what Paul said in the Bible. We're chasing after foolishness. It makes no sense. It's futile. It's worthless. Worthless. I'm at a point now in my life where I am happy. I'm happy even though I've gained weight. I'm happy with my boys. I'm happy. And that's another thing. I wanted my boys. When I was pregnant with Jonathan, he wasn't ready to be a father. And while we had sex for Jalil, Emma asked me if I'm sure. And that's coming from my husband. I have been broken mentally, physically, and spiritually. Broken. And you see, the me now is just trying to live and survive and cope.
Yeah, this is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bones TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe our TV, cause I just a blessing, manifesting our TV progressing. Yeah, Nyaka, scatter.